Hello, my name is Kenneth Perry. I am your technology expert. Welcome to my YouTube channel, K Perry Global. Today we're going to continue our conversation about the Edge browser and specifically the reading view within the Edge browser, giving you a unique browsing experience. If you like the content, feel free to hit the like button. Keep the comments coming in the comment section, right? And don't forget to subscribe to K Perry Global YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's get into the content. Okay, we are on the Windows 10 desktop. And to continue where we left off from Reading View in Microsoft Edge, let's click on the Edge browser, the E. It's going to open up to our start page. And then from here, we're going to type in a website. I like using msn.com just to give you an idea, but you can pretty much use whatever website you would like to use. I'm going to type in msn.com, enter. Okay, so then I have the MSN portal or website here. And next what I'm going to do is select an article, like we showed you in part 1. So we're going to select the articles. I like sports. Go with Dan Le Batard Breaks Rules. As you can see here, we have ads up top. We also have ads on the side. We have our article in the middle here. And then we have some social media where you can share this particular article using social media. But what we want to focus on today is this book here. This book right there, like I showed you in Edge Part 1. If the book is black, that means that you have the ability to convert this into Read View. When you left click on Read View, it takes you to the Reading View page. All right, so it's loaded. So now you have pictures of Dan Le Batard. You have the title here, and you have the text on the side. Now, there's a cool feature in Reading View that's going to give you the ability to gain additional information about a specific word. So if you were the person that wanted to know what suspension meant, you can double click on that word, and once you double click, it's going to give you the definition of suspension. It will also say it for you. If I click on the sound button here, if I click on that, suspension, it tells you how to say the word. Now that's huge right there. That's an awesome feature to have, especially for those who don't understand how to pronounce a word. You have it right here for you. If I select more, then on the right hand side here, in this plane here, it gives you the full definition. It's a noun. It gives you 3 definitions. And then you can also download the offline dictionary so you can have access to this definition offline. That's an awesome feature right there. I recommend my kids use it. I recommend everyone use it. Up top here, you have a toolbar. You have text options. So this gives you the ability to change the size of text, the font size, things of that nature. What else does it do? Let's see. Let's left click on it. So this is how you change the size. So I can decrease the font size, right? Or I can increase the font size. I also can change the page themes. Right now I have a sepia background color. I can change that to white. Or I can go gray theme and even the dark theme. Now, let's just say that I want to read this article without reading the article. How can I do that? Well, there's a feature called Read Out Loud. So when I left click, once again, there's Read Out Loud. Well, I can highlight specifically what I want to read, and then I can select Read Out Loud. And it will read just that portion for me and continue on.
Dan Le Batard took the opportunity yesterday to thoroughly skewer it on air while also
I'm going to select pause here. In the toolbar up top here, you have pause, or you can go to the next paragraph or go to the previous paragraph. Also can customize the voice settings. If I want to change the speed of the voice, or I can actually change the voice, whether I want Zyra or Mark. I like Mark. Mark's a cool guy. Mark's better than David, in my opinion. So I'm going to select play, and here's Mark.
Criticizing President Trump's attacks on minority congresswomen. Copyright provided by Comeback Media. So, what happened last night? This felt un-American.
Okay. So what happened last night felt un-American. America. Yes, America. You get my point. The Reading View feature in Microsoft Edge acts as your own personal horse blinder, stripping unwanted distractions and rendering just what you want to see. When active, the content that you are rendering becomes the focal point in the browser immediately. So don't forget to activate that read view when you're distracted from reading the content you want to read the most. Thank you for watching Edge Part 2. Edge Part 3 is coming up next. If you like the content, feel free to hit the like button. Keep the comments coming in the comment section, right? And then don't forget to subscribe to K Perry Global YouTube channel. Au revoir.